Hey guys, this video today we are going over how to fix your right-sided low back pain. I'm going to give you a specific correction or what we call a first aid that we like to use here in office for people with one-sided low back pain. Today we're going over right-sided low back pain. If you have left-sided, just do the opposite movement of what we're doing in this video. My name is Dawne. I work at Performance Place Sports Care, and I am just one part of the locally world-famous chiropractors here in Orange County, California. If you guys like our videos, if they work for you, if you want to know more about exercises and stretches or educational videos on how to fix your low back pain, there is a little P around the video somewhere that you can click on that will take you to our YouTube channel. You can like and subscribe so that you get notifications on when the next videos are coming out for the low back pain. You can also use the little search bar. If you type in low back pain, hip pain, whatever you guys have questions about, we've probably made a video on it, and it would be really helpful for you guys to check all of those out, okay? So let's get into it. I'm going to pretend like this bench here is your guys' bed at home, okay? I have right-sided low back pain. I'm going to lay on my left side. So as I'm laying here, I'm going to take whatever I need to support my head here, okay? So this arm is really just supporting this head. My knees are bent at about 90 degrees here, okay? I'm going to take this arm and I'm going to put it overhead to start to open up that right side. I'm just going to hold here and breathe for a second and make sure that it feels okay first. As long as this feels okay, let me reiterate, feels okay as in doesn't really feel like anything. Shouldn't feel like a stretch, shouldn't feel like an exercise. It should just be a position of comfort. If you guys are in constant pain and don't know what position to put yourself in to get yourself out of that pain, this is going to be one for you, okay? So start with the right side over like this. If this feels good, we're going to take our feet here and we're going to dangle them off the side of the bed. So notice my hips here and my back start to open up even more as I dangle them off the bed there. I'm going to hold and breathe for about a minute. If you guys are following me in this video right now, pause the video and I want you to be in this position for 30 seconds to a minute, just focusing on breathing into your belly, okay? Make sure you're not rotated anywhere, so I'm not like rotated backwards like this or forwards like this. Everything is nice and neutral here. You're just opening up this right side. You can even put a pillow under here if you want to, but you're just gonna breathe for about a minute or so and see how it feels. If this is recreating pain at all, you guys, let's stop and just check out a different video for your right side low back pain. This isn't gonna be the movement for you. We have tons of other ones that you can check out. But if this feels good, hold and breathe, okay? You're gonna get up and you're gonna see what that did for your pain. We are not looking for perfect with that. We're looking for progress. If you've been having trouble trying to find something that helps with your low back pain and holding that for a minute maybe gave you 30% improvement, imagine if you just did it a little bit more, okay? I like to use that one for those who just have trouble finding positions of comfort. If we just find positions of comfort more often throughout the day for the next 3 to 5 days or so, we give our body a chance to heal, to calm down, and then we can start building it back up afterwards. So if you guys have checked this one out, it's been a few days and you've tried it and you want to know where to go next, you can either search our channel, find out some exercises for low back pain that might help, or you can take advantage of the free gift that we have that may pop up on the video right now, or it's going to be in the description below. It's a link that you can click on that says free gift. Take advantage of it, you guys, because people ask all the time, what is the next step if this worked for me? Where do I go from here? That is going to be your next step. Follow that. I think it's going to be really helpful for you guys, okay? So again, like and subscribe to our channel. Stick around because this is just one part to a whole series of low back pain. And if you guys have questions, reach out to us, email us, call us. We would love to chat with you, and we'll talk to you soon.